Hello everyone. It's time to replace your circuit breaker when it starts tripping repeatedly. And today I bring you a step-by-step tutorial on how to do it. This is a special case. I need to replace the heating breaker, but I have to do it without cutting off the power. That's why you have to pay attention to the procedure. First, you have to put the circuit breaker in the off position. Then, applying force from the center outwards, we can remove the circuit breaker. At this point, the circuit breaker is de-energized. We can now uninstall the cables to make the replacement. Remember, the replacement must be with another of the same amperage. Each bolt must be tightened to the maximum. Loose cables cause the conductors to heat up and may catch fire. I took apart the next circuit breaker and noticed that it had loose bolts and damaged wire terminals, which was what was causing the circuit breaker to turn off. We have to cut the cable, removing the damaged end. Then we remove the rubber cover, and very importantly, we have to scrape the metal at the tip to ensure good contact. We do the same procedure, making sure that the cables are tight. The knob must be in the off position. We are now ready to return the circuit breakers to their position in the panel. After it is set correctly, we put the circuit breaker in the on position. Oh no! I found another loose cable around here. We are going to put it in its place, but always remember to put the circuit breaker in the off position. I hope you learned something. It was a short but interesting video. Until next time.